Hey there, future scientists! Bill Nye here. Have you ever wondered how you can ride a bike, catch a ball, and even feel hungry all at the same time? It's not magic, it's science. Your body is like a super smart, bustling city, and for any city to work, it needs a boss and a communication system. This is where control and coordination come in. Think of control as the power to make things happen, like telling your legs to run. Coordination is making sure all the different parts of your body work together smoothly, like a perfectly practiced dance team. So how does your body pull off this incredible feat every single second? It has two amazing systems that work together as the ultimate tag team. The first one is the super speedy nervous system, which is like the internet of your body, zapping messages around in the blink of an eye. Let's zoom in on the first member of our control team, the nervous system. This is your body's high-speed information highway. It's made up of three main parts: the brain, the spinal cord, and a massive network of nerves. Your brain is the supercomputer, the main boss, the CEO of you, Inc. It makes all the big decisions, stores your memories, and is where your thoughts and feelings live. The spinal cord is like a major data cable running down your back, connecting the brain to the rest of the body. And the nerves? They are the fiber optic wires that branch out from the spinal cord to every single part of you, from your eyelids to your pinky toe. Now, how do these parts talk to each other? They send tiny electrical signals called nerve impulses. It's incredibly fast. These signals can travel at speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Fun fact alert, that's faster than a race car. Let's look at a classic example. Touching something sharp. Ouch! The instant your finger touches the sharp point, special nerve endings in your skin, called receptors, scream danger. They fire off an electrical signal that zips up a nerve to your spinal cord. Now here's the cool part. For super urgent messages like this, the spinal cord doesn't even wait to ask the brain what to do. It makes a split-second decision on its own and sends a command right back down another nerve to your arm muscles, telling them to pull your hand away. Now let's meet the second member of our control and coordination team, the endocrine system. If the nervous system is the body's super-fast internet, the endocrine system is more like its reliable, old-fashioned postal service. It doesn't use electrical wires. Instead, it sends chemical messages called hormones through your bloodstream. These hormones are created by special organs called glands. Think of glands as little factories scattered throughout your body, each producing a specific type of hormone with a very specific job to do. The pituitary gland, located at the base of your brain, is often called the master gland because it produces hormones that control many of the other glands. Then there's the thyroid gland in your neck, which controls how fast your body uses energy. The adrenal glands sitting on top of your kidneys release adrenaline when you're scared or excited. And the pancreas makes insulin, a super important hormone that controls the amount of sugar in your blood. Let's think about an example of hormones in action. Have you ever noticed how you grow a little bit taller each year? You can thank your endocrine system for that. Your pituitary gland produces something called growth hormone. This hormone travels through your blood to your bones and other tissues, telling them to grow and divide. However, they only affect certain cells called target cells. These cells have special receptors that are shaped to fit a specific hormone, kind of like a lock and a key. So we have two amazing systems for control and coordination. But how are they different? And why do we need both? Let's think of it as a race between Speedy Gonzales, the nervous system, and the wise old tortoise, which is the endocrine system. The biggest difference is, you guessed it, speed. The nervous system is built for speed. Its electrical impulses are immediate, perfect for quick reactions. The endocrine system is all about taking its time. But while the nervous system's messages are quick to start and quick to end, the effects of hormones can last for a long time, minutes, hours, or even years. Another key difference is how the messages are sent. The nervous system is like a direct phone call. A nerve sends a signal from one specific point to another. The endocrine system is more like a public radio broadcast. A gland releases hormones into the bloodstream, and the message goes everywhere. So why have both? Because your body faces all sorts of challenges. For a sudden danger, like a bee flying at your face, you need the nervous system's lightning-fast reflex. But for a long-term process, like growing from a kid into an adult, you need the slow, steady, and widespread influence of the endocrine system. To really understand how all these parts work together, let's imagine we're looking at a giant cartoon map of the human body. This map is labeled to show all the key players in our control and coordination team. At the very top, inside the head, we have the big boss, the brain. It's drawn like a giant, bustling command center with flashing lights and busy cartoon characters running around. Cartoon tip: think of the brain as the king or queen of Bodylandia. Running down from the brain, right through the center of the map is a thick, protected highway called the spinal cord. On our map, it looks like a superhighway with lanes of light zipping up and down. This is the main communication link between the brain and the rest of the body. Branching off from this highway are countless smaller roads, which are the nerves. These nerves are drawn as thin, glowing wires that reach every single corner of the map. The hands, the feet, the stomach, the eyes. These wires carry the electrical messages to and from the central command center. Now, let's find the hormone factories on our map. Tucked away in different locations are the glands of the endocrine system. Just below the brain, we see the tiny but powerful pituitary gland, wearing a little crown because it's the master gland. In the neck area, our map shows the butterfly-shaped thyroid gland. Sitting like little hats on top of the kidneys are the adrenal glands, which have little lightning bolts on them. And nestled near the stomach is the pancreas, shown carefully measuring out sugar cubes. These glands are all connected by a winding river, representing the bloodstream, which carries their hormone messages. So there you have it. We've taken a grand tour of your body's incredible control and coordination systems. We've seen how they act as the ultimate management team, making sure every part of you works in perfect harmony. From the simplest blink of an eye to the complex process of growing taller, it's all thanks to the beautiful partnership between your nervous system and your endocrine system. One is the lightning-fast messenger, and the other is the steady long-term planner. Together, they are unstoppable, and they are all yours. Final fun fact: there are more nerve cells in the human brain than there are stars in our galaxy. Think about that for a moment. That's a whole lot of processing power packed right inside your skull. The next time you catch a ball, feel your heart race, or even just feel hungry for a snack, take a moment to appreciate the amazing science at work inside you. Your nervous and endocrine systems are working tirelessly, sending countless messages to keep you safe, healthy, and active. They are the reason you can run, jump, think, feel, and grow. Understanding how they work is the first step to appreciating just how wonderfully complex and capable your body truly is. So keep asking questions, stay curious, and remember, science is all around you, and most importantly, it's inside you. Bill Nye, signing off.